5 simple exercises that will transform your body and health. The ultimate fitness routine you need. Have you ever wondered if just a few simple exercises could have a huge impact on how your body looks and feels? Well, guess what? They can. Whether you're looking to improve strength, mobility, or simply feel better overall. These 5 exercises are incredibly effective and you don't need a gym membership to do them. No matter where you are, you can get started today. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be eager to start your new fitness journey. Let's get right into it with our first exercise, one that might look easy but is incredibly powerful, the dead hang. 1. Dead hang, a full body strengthener. You've probably seen someone hanging from a pull-up bar at the gym, seemingly doing nothing. But trust me, this deceptively simple exercise is one of the best ways to improve your shoulder health, decompress your spine, and strengthen your grip. It's like a mini full body reset that can work wonders if done regularly. Don't have access to a gym? No problem. You can easily use a doorway pull-up bar or even a sturdy tree branch if you're outdoors. Now, let's break it down step by step. 1. Find your bar. This could be a pull-up bar, a sturdy door frame, or even a tree branch. 2. Grab the bar. Use an overhand grip, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 3. Let your body hang. Relax and let your body fully extend. Keep your core engaged, and don't let your shoulders shrug up toward your ears. 4. Focus on form. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed but engaged, and your arms are slightly bent, not locked. Aim to hold this position for 20-30 seconds at first, gradually building up to 1-2 minutes as your strength improves. This exercise might seem easy at first, but when you try it, you'll quickly realize it's not as simple as it looks. Trust me, it's worth it. 2. Glute Bridge, power for your lower body. After we've warmed up the shoulders and spine with the dead hang, it's time to focus on your lower body and core with the Glute Bridge. This exercise is fantastic for building glute strength, improving core stability, and relieving tight hip flexors. If you're someone who spends a lot of time sitting, this is especially important for you. The Glute Bridge targets muscles that are often neglected in many workout routines, helping to stabilize your pelvis and support your lower back. Here's how you do it. 1. Lie on your back, bend your knees and keep your feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. 2. Engage your core, press through your heels, and slowly lift your hips off the ground. Make sure to squeeze your glutes as you reach the top. 3. Hold at the top, hold for 2-3 seconds to activate the glutes, then slowly lower back down. 4. Repeat. Start with 2 sets of 10-15 repetitions. If the regular glute bridge is too easy for you, challenge yourself with a single leg glute bridge or place some weight on your hips to increase resistance. Not only will this help prevent lower back pain, but it also makes everyday tasks like walking or lifting much easier. 3. Farmer's carry, build full body strength. Next up, we're going to talk about an exercise that looks simple but is incredibly effective, the farmer's carry. This exercise involves walking while holding heavy weights, but don't let its simplicity fool you, it works wonders. The farmer's carry is one of the best exercises to improve your posture, build grip strength, and strengthen your core. It mimics real-life activities like carrying groceries, luggage, or even moving furniture. Here's how to do it. 1. Grab your weights, dumbbells, kettlebells, or any heavy objects that you can carry will do. 2. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, chest out, and core engaged. Imagine there's a string pulling you up from the top of your head, helping you maintain a tall posture. 3. Walk. Start walking slowly and steadily for 30-60 seconds while keeping the weights close to your body. Focus on keeping your posture upright and avoid letting the weights drag you down. 4. Repeat. Start with a manageable weight and gradually increase it as you get stronger. The farmer's carry challenges your entire body, shoulders, core, and legs while improving coordination and balance. You'll notice everyday tasks feel a lot easier, and your posture will improve over time. Plus, it helps prevent injuries by teaching you how to handle heavy loads safely. 4. Resting squat, build mobility and flexibility. If you've ever struggled with flexibility or have tight hips, the resting squat is an exercise you absolutely need in your routine. It's one of the most natural positions for the human body, but modern lifestyles with hours spent sitting often make it hard for people to squat down comfortably. This exercise is not only great for your legs and core, but it also improves the mobility of your ankles, hips, and knees. Here's how to do it. 1. Stand tall, keep your feet shoulder width apart, with your toes turned out slightly. 2. Sink down slowly, lower your body into a deep squat position, keeping your heels flat on the ground. 3. Chest up, make sure your chest stays upright, and your back stays neutral throughout the movement. 4. Hold start by holding the position for 20-30 seconds, and gradually increase the time as you build flexibility. If you struggle to maintain balance, hold on to something stable like a chair or countertop for support. This exercise will not only improve your flexibility but also transfer to other movements in your daily life and other exercises, making them much easier. 5. Thread the needle, improve rotational mobility. Last but definitely not least, we have thread the needle, an exercise that many people overlook but is vital for improving flexibility and mobility, especially in your thoracic spine, upper back, shoulders, and neck. This exercise is especially helpful if you have poor posture or spend a lot of time sitting. It's an amazing rotational movement that will help release tension and restore fluidity to your upper body, which is essential as we age. Here's how to perform it. 1. Start on all fours, position your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. 2. Thread your arm, reach one arm underneath your body, threading it through the space between your opposite arm and leg. 3. Rotate your torso as you thread your arm through, allow your torso to rotate. Follow your moving hand with your eyes. 4. Extend and hold, extend your arm as far as possible while keeping your hips stable. Hold for a moment to feel the stretch. 5. Return and repeat when you bring your arm back. Continue the rotation and reach toward the sky. Again, follow your hand with your eyes. This movement is slow and deliberate, so take your time with it. If you want to challenge yourself further, you can add a light resistance band or weight to the moving hand to increase the stretch and activate more muscles. How to combine these exercises into a full routine. Now that we've covered the exercises, let's put them together into a simple, effective workout routine. You can do this workout 3 times per week, and within a few weeks, you'll start to notice real results. Here's the flow. 1. Dead hang, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Build up to 1-2 minutes as you progress. 2. Glute Bridge, 2 sets of 10-15 reps. 3. Farmer's Carry, 3 rounds of 30-60 seconds. 4. Thread the needle, 2 sets of 10 reps per side. 5. Resting squat, hold for 20-30 seconds, 2-3 rounds. This workout takes about 20 minutes and targets strength, mobility, and flexibility. The best part? You don't need a gym, and you can do it at home or wherever you are. By incorporating these 5 exercises into your routine, you'll start to feel stronger, more flexible, and more balanced. These movements are not just for athletes, they're for anyone who wants to improve their quality of life and prevent injury. Whether you're young or older, it's never too late to start working on your body's foundation. So, are you ready to get started? Don't forget to share this video with a friend who might also benefit from these simple, life-changing exercises. Let's all get stronger and healthier together.